Careful. That's how it's done. Tell them, boys.
That's how it's done.
That's how Lipa paving runs, mate.
When you have a creative mind, you don't need fancy technologies. Other workers might need heavy machinery or explosives to demolish this huge structure, but these guys just needed a sledgehammer.
We have a winner, baby. Woo! Get it, boy.
When the demolition is well planned, the process becomes quite a show. The best method to fight against icy roads.
Oh, ouais.
They could have used a helicopter, but what's the point? Better to have 92 workers do the job. Yes, that's the number of people who helped move this garage 300 meters.
Go!
It's going to its final rest.
Now that's a job done by hand. The only thing better than a job well done is a job well and quickly done. The optimization of the process in this case is incredible. The most ingenious inventions are often the simplest. Now you'll see how the foundation of a barn is created. These dome-shaped structures are used to store bulk materials. One of their advantages is that they can be assembled very quickly. First, the dome is inflated, and then the inside is lined with reinforced concrete.
That's a good idea. Much faster way to do it.
Apparently, he can finish the construction on his own. A synchronized and flawless job. This is what happens when an engineer needs to cut firewood. More than driving the bulldozer, he pilots it. That doesn't look very safe, but he didn't doubt himself for a second. Whoever came up with this definitely deserves a bonus. One of the biggest annoyances for drivers on the road is construction work, as it slows down traffic. But in Switzerland, they've come up with an ingenious solution. This portable road bridge can be placed anywhere repairs are planned. While cars drive over it, workers can fix the road underneath. It's no surprise this machine is known as a road printer. In terms of paving speed, it's almost like printing.
There he goes. Oh. Just like that. Down to 2 inches.
Who would have thought they were made for this? Excavators need help to work in tough places. But this model has been designed to tackle even the toughest jobs. All thanks to its high-tech chassis and special boom. This is a walking excavator that can work even on a steep hillside. In China, they know how to organize processes. Look how they install this metal profile. A good builder can work in any environment. These professionals came to this site to create an eco-friendly hotel in record time, built from special modules. It will soon become a haven for those who love to rest away from the city. Engineers use the principles of arc bridge construction to create reinforced concrete structures that can be used to build a bridge up to 15 meters long. Why do you think they're throwing so many balls into this reservoir? To create a huge ball pit? No, they're not for fun. These balls help prevent the reservoir from drying out by absorbing heat from the sun, which minimizes water evaporation. This paver laying machine boosts productivity and only requires 2 people to operate. Moving hens by hand through cages is incredibly time-consuming and tiring, which is exactly why this machine was invented. It can pick up 6,000 birds in just 1 hour. It's a blessing when the builder has the soul of a designer. The thicker the reinforced concrete slab, the more reliable it is. But the engineers in Zurich have developed an innovative construction method. This ultra-thin structure is just as strong as standard slabs, but uses much less material. First, a framework is created, then a special fabric is stretched over it, and finally, the concrete is poured. Plus, this method allows for the creation of unusual shapes. The world is full of old tires that no one wants to dispose of, which is why we want to show you some useful ways to repurpose them. We usually don't think of concrete as an aesthetic material, since most of the time, its use is purely functional. However, if given the right form, it can become a work of art. This is how it's used to create incredible ceilings. In Malaysia, they've invented another way to reduce material consumption without losing strength. Instead of filling all voids with concrete, they use special spheres that significantly reduce the dead load of the building. This is how unwanted vegetation is removed at this site. A chain is stretched between two bulldozers to rip up everything in its path.